Good morning. Welcome to our morning stretching routine. I will be guiding you through these essential exercises. Let's start with a gentle hand stretches. Stretch your arms, keeping your heels up off the ground. Try to hold and breathe. Keep breathing and give gentle neck stretching up and down. Keep your chin touching to your chest. Then keep doing the neck rotation, keeping your eyes closed. 5, 6, and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and stop. Keep your feet hip distance apart and give your hips a nice rotation. 4, 5, 6, anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While doing torso twist, keeping your hands aligned with your shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our next exercise is knee raises. Guide your knees to come to your chest. Hold with the hands and try to touch your knees to the chest. Keep your balance and do alternate legs. It will stretch your hamstrings and glutes. With the hands helping the knees, it will give you more stretch. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Keeping your knees straight and try to touch your hand with the opposite leg, making a triangle. This is Trikonasana pose in yoga. 7, 8, 9. Try to bend from the hips, not from the knees. Keeping your hand straight and touch the hand to the opposite leg. It will give stretching to your shoulders, your hips and your hamstrings also. It will increase your flexibility. Our next exercise is squat. Keeping your feet shoulder length apart and try to bend from your hips, keeping your knees straight to your ankles. Try to go as far as you can. It will give you more flexibility while working on front and back bending. Coming on your mat, we will be doing single leg stretching. Keeping your head off the ground, or it is difficult for you, then keep your head down and try to touch your knee to the chest. Single leg stretches. Now we will be doing the glute stretch. Keeping your one leg on the thigh of the other leg and bend and stretch that leg. 3, 4, 5 times at least. Now change your leg and try to do the same thing with the other leg. It will give you stretching to your glutes and core also. If it is uncomfortable for you to keep your head up, you can keep your head down and do the stretching. This is a cross stretching. Taking your leg straight up in the air and bending from your hip to other side. 3, 4, keep your back touching to the ground. 5, 6. If it is more comfortable and feeling nice to you, you can increase the rotations of these exercises stretching. Now we will be doing kneeling child pose. Come in a child pose and again arch in front. 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. This is very energizing pose and it is giving warm up for your core, shoulders and back also. Now we will be doing the camel pose known as Ustrasana. It is a backbone yoga pose that strengthens, stretches and balances the body. Try to keep your hands on your ankle. If it is uncomfortable for you, then try to go behind as much as possible. Breathe deeply and smoothly. For our next exercise, we lie on the back and lift the legs straight up towards the ceiling. Slowly lower your legs apart, forming a V shape. Engage your core while doing this exercise. Keep your head above the ground or on the ground. Our next exercise is rotation stretch, also known as a spinal rotation. It targets spine, torso and hips. Sit with your feet on ground. Twist your torso to one side, keeping your feet and hips facing forward. Now we will be doing the arm open and close. Open your arm behind as much as possible. Keep your arm straight outside at shoulder height and open them and bring them in front. Try not to fold in the elbows. In this exercise, lift your arm above your head and try to pull your arm back down while putting resistance through the elbow. Side bend your body away from your arm to create stretch just behind your armpit. Do the same repetitions for the other side. Start your day feeling refreshed and ready to take anything. These morning stretching exercises will guide you through the essential movements to improve flexibility, reduce morning stiffness, and boost your energy. Perfect for the beginners also. Follow along and stretch your way to happier and healthier day. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Remember to stretch regularly for improved flexibility and overall well-being. See you all in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and see my other fitness content also. Thank you. Namaste.